This document links the prior knowledge required for the IB Maths courses, and it's going to be focusing on their students' ability to do integer calculations and working out answers. So at the moment what I have here is a simple calculation involving -7, add on 6, add on 9. Students can do that in their head, possibly. When they choose to reveal the answer is 8. Now they can generate another question by clicking on another one. It'll just randomly generate questions. Now where it says negatives equals 1, that just means some of the numbers will be negative, but not all of them. If I make negatives to be equal to 2, it means that every single number in the calculation will be negative, and if I want to remain purely in terms of positive numbers, I can change it to be 0. So we have 3 settings there: no negatives, some negatives, and all negatives. At the moment my calculation involving 3 numbers, I can increase that to 4 numbers, 5 numbers, and so on and so forth, and you can start to see I can construct increasingly complicated calculations for students to be able to have to work out. Now this is just level 1. The operation here is purely the operation of addition. If I go to level 2, we have subtraction and only subtraction. So that really checks out their ability to subtract negatives. And as we go on upwards, we start to increase the number of different combinations from positives and negatives to bring in multiplications, divisions, multiplications and additions. And we have all the way up to level 12, where we have the full collection of operations, everything that a student might come across. And again, when they think they know the answer to the calculation, they can click to reveal it, and they can generate another one very quickly. So this could be used to get students very comfortable using negatives and powers, which will obviously lead into the evaluation of definite integrals, if that's the way the course would be going for you. There are teacher notes on page 1.4 that explain everything that's just gone through here, and if you want to adapt the file at any point, going ahead to not page 1.5, but in fact page 1.6, you can see all the different levels, which operations turned up in which levels, etc., etc. So this page here allows you to tailor this function, this program, to your own particular tastes if all the settings on page 1.3 are not to your liking. That's it. That's all it does.